moment, I'm going to open up a notepad. It's normally pinned to your start menu in Windows 7, so just open Notepad up. Okay, so you see, and I'm going to use Windows 7 to sort of put to one side. Really handy when you're coding. Starting off with a HTML tag, so as a start with a notepad. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And close the tag with a /, okay, not a question mark. Okay, so, and then I'm going to, within that HTML tag, I'm going to put my head tag, and close my head tag again with a /. It's very important. When you open the tag, to make sure you close it at the end. If you set this up basically first, and then inquire about your other code, close the tags, can't go wrong. Next up is the title tag. Title is how sort of you describe the site. It's how the browser views the site and also gives it a name. So, for example, Richard's example. Richard's example being the title for this one, and then close the tag. Okay. Very quick tutorial, just to get the basics, and then hopefully sort of catch up in a few weeks, and you also catch up at another time. I hope to put another video up, or sort of change the videos around from time to time so you get a good example. So you can then follow on this video, or sign up to the newsletter, and should be adding more to the site soon. Okay, so I made a mistake. The title goes between the two heads. Okay, within the head and the HTML, between those tags, you put the body. Sorry. Okay. So again, closing the body is very important. It's within here, it's the central part of the page. This is what the user would see really, or reason-led browse. So sometimes to see hi. So when you're saving, it's not save as, don't make that mistake. Well, it can be when we first save it, but you can just save and it will play the same menu. So, okay, we've saved it, and I'll save it as an example made earlier. If you view that, make sure we save it as HTML and not a text document. We see it as a web page, and you see at the top here, we have the title. So, example, Richard's example. There, so that's just the title part of the page, which is within the header of the page. That's the sort of, it's like a top-down approach, if you like, and when the browser reads it, it will say I've got it as a top-down approach. Okay, so we'll save that, we'll make a change, and you see the change. Refresh it, or F5, and you can see a smiley face at the end. That's sort of basically how you edit information. Using Windows 7 is really good because you can do that here, keep both windows open. With the snap facility, you may have seen the advert. Okay, so we're going to change and put a little bit in the body, and we're going to put uncool hey. Refresh, and you can see that because we've Control S or file saved, the information is now in the body. I'm not really happy with the sizing of that, so I'm going to put H1 tag. It goes between H1, H2 and H3 tags, depending on size. Or you can just type in font equals open speech mark size from 1 to 10, and then close speech mark, and it should do the same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to put a line break or paragraph in, and I'm going to write some more information. As you can see, it doesn't work like a text editor, but lots of space here underneath. But when you save, again, not saving as, yeah, file save, okay, fresh, doesn't make a hell of a lot of difference. I mean, it's just gone one line under. Hasn't taken into account all the space we put in the text editor. And this is because, well, basically it's not been told to. It's still working on the information that, you know, so we're going to make a line break. Make a couple of line breaks. This tutorial I'm going to do a little bit to do with HTML and sort of making what would be a site within that notepad. I've used Dreamweaver so far, and Macromedia Dreamweaver